Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to access a window when the title bar goes way off the screen. So if you notice a window is appearing way beyond the boundaries of your normal computer monitor, this tutorial will be for you. So I'm going to show you guys a couple different ways of how to hopefully resolve it. So I would suggest would be to right click on your taskbar wherever it is on your screen. Uncheck next to where it says lock the taskbar, so you want to just drag it over to whatever side of the screen the window has gone off on, and release pressure on your mouse cursor, and you should notice the window should reappear. And if you want to relock the taskbar, you're more than welcome to. Just right click on it and then select lock the taskbar, and it won't be moving around the screen. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.